Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Bybit Sub Account. For that, launch your Bybit mobile application, and over here you just have to tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Here you will be able to see the option of sub account, so you just have to tap on it and then you will be landed on the sub account page. Here select the create option and then it will ask you which type of sub account do you want to create, whether you want to create a standard sub account or the custodial trading sub account. Now if you don't know what is the differences between these two, if you choose the standard sub account, then you can log in into a standard sub account via account switch without entering a password. If you select the custodial trading sub account, you can entrust your funds to professional trading teams for asset management. This fund access cannot be granted to the trading teams on a standard sub account. So for this video, I'm gonna click on the standard sub account. Now it will ask you to give your sub account a name, so you just have to provide your name and then it will ask you to select the account mode. So here we have two options. The first is of unified trading account and the second one is of the standard account. So I'm going to keep it as the standard account. So over here, if you want to enable the login or the password, then you can turn the toggle button on right next to it, and here you can provide your username and you can provide the password. But for this video, I'm gonna keep it disabled and press the create button. Now it will say that they sent you a verification code on your registered email address, so you just have to get the code and paste over here. If you have the Google Authenticator enabled, then you just have to provide the code here before making any changes. After providing these details, you will be able to easily create your sub account on Bybit. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.